Hey, I see you. Stress, pressure, traffic, and deadlines. You deserve a break. Now imagine a dream vacation in beautiful Jamaica. You're pampered in a luxurious private villa with a personal chef, butler, housekeeper, driver. Oh, don't forget your family or even your extended family. This is paradise. No need to do the housekeeping or babysitting. Stay in or explore the island. Snorkel, zip line, swim with dolphins, shake it to a reggae beat, or relax in the shade of a coconut tree. Picture it, no cell phones, just happy family times. Let us help you find the perfect villa and cater an experience you'll never forget. The only worry you'll have is saying goodbye. Book your next villa with Lisa and her team and experience the Jamaican treasures difference. Call us today.